How do I fill out Form 60 to 51? If you are wondering how to fill out IRS Form 60 to 51, you are in the right spot. This form is essential for calculating the Alternative Minimum Tax, or AMT. The AMT ensures that individuals with specific income or deductions pay a minimum amount of tax. Let's break down the steps to help you complete this form accurately. First, understand why you need Form 60 to 51. It helps determine your alternative minimum taxable income and calculates any additional tax you owe beyond your regular income tax. You must fill it out if you have income or deductions that trigger AMT rules, like certain tax preference items. Next, gather all necessary information. Have your completed Form 1040 or 1040 Senior ready, especially line 15, which shows your regular tax. Collect documents for income, deductions, credits, and adjustments that differ between regular tax and AMT calculations. If you are a partner in a partnership or a shareholder in an S corporation, you will need Schedule K1 to identify adjustments to report on Form 60 to 51. Now, let's move to Part I of Form 60 to 51, which is about calculating your alternative minimum taxable income. Start by entering your regular taxable income from your Form 1040. Then, make the necessary adjustments and add back specific tax preference items required by AMT rules. These adjustments may include state and local tax deductions, miscellaneous itemized deductions not allowed for AMT, certain depreciation differences, and tax-exempt interest from private activity bonds. After making these adjustments, subtract the AMT exemption amount, which varies based on your filing status and income level. The result is your alternative minimum taxable income. Next, you will complete Part II, which calculates the alternative minimum tax. Use the alternative minimum taxable income from Part I to find your tentative minimum tax by applying the AMT tax rates. If you have any AMT foreign tax credit, subtract that amount. The result will be your tentative minimum tax. If you have qualified capital gains or dividends, you will need to complete Part III. This section helps you compute the tax on those amounts at preferential rates. Now determine your AMT liability. Compare your tentative minimum tax from Part II to your regular tax from Form 1040. If your tentative minimum tax is higher, the difference is your AMT liability. If it is not higher, you do not owe any AMT. When it comes to filing, you generally do not need to attach Form 60 to 51 to your tax return unless specific conditions apply. For example, if line 7 on Form 60 to 51 is greater than line 10, indicating you owe AMT, or if you claim certain credits like the General Business Credit or Qualified Electric Vehicle Credit, you will need to attach it. Always keep records supporting your AMT calculations in case the IRS reviews your return. Lastly, there are special situations to consider. Non-resident aliens disposing of U.S. real property interests must follow special instructions on Form 60 to 51. Partnerships and S corporation shareholders should carefully incorporate adjustments from Schedule K1. Using tax software or consulting a tax professional can simplify this process, as AMT calculations can be complex. Accurate record keeping and understanding the differences between regular tax and AMT rules are essential for completing Form 60 to 51 correctly.